Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody guys, let's take a look again on euro currency. Well, today the first day of the November, it means that October month is closed, and here you could see that indeed we've got the monthly reversal candle. So that's really important because reversal candles on the monthly chart, it's really valuable thing, and we will talk about it in the weekly report. It's very rare, it happens when the market ignores the reversal candles and shows absolutely no reaction on them. So as a rule, once a reversal candle is formed, the market usually shows at least minor continuation in the same direction. So for example, here as you can see the reversal candle on top, market creates the new top, closed below the lows of the previous session. You can see that in fact this has become the point when the market turns down, and although the downward action has started not immediately, so market has spent some time here in the flat action. So we already saw reversal sessions, reversal candles a lot. Now analysis and intraday charts as well. So this tool is useful in any time frame. And now we have on the monthly, so we will see what will happen. Speaking on the daily situation, so in general the things that we said yesterday has been completed. You can see that market has shown the reaction. Here was some retracement on intraday retracement on our intraday XLP target, and now market turns up again. So on the daily chart, we do not have something really absolutely new. The one thing that we could mention here is this minor grabber has been formed. So you can see this, we have here small, not really very strong bullish grabber. Still, it suggests the upward action above this previous top. So also nice sign is that we have here some kind of acceleration right to this point. And in fact, as we said yesterday, we have no valuable resistance between the current market and the confidence level. So it means that here market has relatively free space to proceed high and hit these levels, this confidence resistance. That will be next destination point on the daily. Besides, you can see, and we also talked about it recently, that market keeps the harmony here. Maybe it's not it's not absolutely accurate, but you can see that in general the swings that we see here is very similar. If you will split this chart into two parts, following this harmony, you can see that market should continue right to this top. It stands precisely 1235 area. This is minor thing, but sometimes it makes sense. So on the intraday charts, here a trend also stands bullish. That's our reaction on the XOP is done. Now here is important thing that take a look. While market has formed high wave pattern here, it already has been broken up, and that tells that chance on upward continuation here looks preferable. But at the same time, currently guys, it's very difficult to make the forecast because today is a holiday. Market is moving slightly, but it's very difficult to forecast what really will happen, because theoretically here we could get either deeper ABC retracement, that is possible. Here some pullback is possible, but conversely market could show minor pullback and upward continuation. My opinion is that, well, based on this action that we see here, I would suggest that upward action in current circumstances looks more probable. I'm gravitating to this idea, but we'll see what will happen. Because theoretical market could turn to forming of the butterfly pattern, for example. Take a look. This could become the left wing of the butterfly. Market will start dropping here. It could start forming right wing. It's also possible. But based on the action that I see here, well, as I said, I do not see yet real preparation for this some kind of downward action. Let's take a look what we have on the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, indeed, we've got here the nice double repo sell, and market has hit its target, so 50% support almost has been hit. It's minimum target of the double repo. So that was nice. And now take a look. We have this ABC bottom action. Market almost has hit the OP target. It's interesting stuff that here we have acceleration at this point and this point. So well, maybe minor pullback here could happen based on this cartilage triple to sell that is formed. But later, I suppose that chance on upward continuation looks looks better. Right to the 112.35 area. So, well, that's approximately how we see the situation on the euro. Maybe here is also minor butterfly could be formed, as you can see, with this minor pullback reaction on this cartilage triple to sell, and then reestablishing of the upward action. That will be left wing of the butterfly. Here market could start right wing of the butterfly. So this butterfly will let market to complete to reach 12.35 area. So and there we will see major reaction. So in general conclusion that we could make here, this is only tactical, very short-term setups and patterns that we talked about. Speaking on the daily chart, as we said yesterday, currently, well, it's not very comfortable point for taking the position, despite that market could move slightly higher. We said too close to the major resistance. And if you have missed taking the position here, as we suggested in the middle of the week, on the major daily retracement, now you need just to wait for the next major daily retracement. And it probably will happen already after the hitting of the confluence. So reaction on the confluence probably will be some with the downward action, and that will be a chance to take the position. Currently, well, it's not very comfortable point. It's not forbidden, of course. You could try to search some intraday patterns for position taking. It's possible, but from the daily picture, if you trade on a daily chart, well, here it's not very good point, because actually here you could see risk-reward ratio is not very good, but because based on the daily pattern, daily situation, you have to place stop somewhere below these lows, and the distance till target stands significantly smaller. Well, that's what we see right now on the euro.